สวัสดีค่ะพี่น้อง Good afternoon. Welcome to Bangkok Brooms channel. Today, I'm going to make Som Tam. It's spicy salad. That's the most popular Thai spicy dishes from the Isaan Thai cuisine. If you already been to Thailand, you probably know this dish. Som Tam. มื้อนี้นะคะสิเฮ็ดตำบักหุ่งค่ะเฮ็ดข้าวแล้งตำบักหุ่งกับทอดไก่ค่ะทอดปีกไก่ค่ะก็เลยพอดีมีคนถามมาว่าเฮ็ดตำบักหุ่งแบบไทยๆเฮ็ดแบบใดก็เลยมื้อนี้สิพาเฮ็ดตำบักหุ่งเนาะค่ะ so now I'm going to give you the simple way to make som tam or papaya salad and I've got all the ingredients which I'm going to show you in a minute and then we do it together so let's cook let's go โอเคพี่น้องมื้อนี้สิเว้าครบเครื่องเรื่องของตำบักหุ่งเนาะค่ะพี่น้องบ้านเฮาก็รู้แล้วว่าวิธีเฮ็ดตำบักหุ่งเฮ็ดจังใดแซ่บจังเอาตามแซ่บตามนัวตามเจ้าของมักเนาะค่ะแต่ว่าพี่น้องทางอังกฤษบางคนเพิ่นก็บ่ทันฮู้เพิ่นขอมาค่ะว่าวิธีตำบักหุ่งเฮ็ดจังไดเลกี้บอกให้แน่ว่าซั่นว่าก็เลยสิจัดตำบักหุ่งให้ค่ะมื้อแรกนี่กินตำบักหุ่งกับทอดปีกไก่ค่ะโอเค Here my friend I've got all ingredients to show you how to make spicy papaya salad in the Isaan style you know in the lot Isaan Thai cuisine so here we go I've got green papaya which you can get from any Asian shop so they have green papaya there and the next one red fresh chilies this time I use 6 chilies and garlic I know I love garlic but today I'm going to use only 2 cloves because I probably otherwise nobody want to talk to me after eating this and then of course tomatoes I use cherry tomatoes because it's nice sweet and juicy and then lamb if you don't have lamb you can use lemon it's the same you know it can give you just as good or tamarind juice it's just as good as well of course in Thai cooking you can't miss out fish sauce and MSG Uncle Roger always said MSG makes it good it's true if you don't like it you can opt it out but it's your dish you can put anything you prefer the thing that you don't like don't use it okay and then another one of course is fermented fish sauce which we call plara that's Isaan one of the Isaan ingredient will go in there and all that I got pestle and mortar this is my weapon to cook for this time for papaya salad so we got that พี่น้องโคกกับโคกใหญ่ๆค่ะอันไปหาซื้อโคกน้อยบ่ได้แต่ว่าอันพอบ้านเพิ่นไปซื้อมาให้ค่ะไปได้โคกหินมากน้อยพอเห็นแล้วก็โอ้บ่ได้นี่เนาะพอที่เพิ่นว่าน้อยซ้ำโปหำบ่ได้มันซ้ำนี่แต่ว่าอันนี้ก็ใส่ได้แต่มันบ่ใหญ่ต้องใส่อันใหญ่กว่านี้เนาะ okay that one I mean you can use this one but it's so tiny it's not you know not to me it's not good enough for papaya salad so, but it's good if you want to make curry paste or something or crack black peppers or something like that you can use this one it's good but for papaya salad I need this one okay first of all I got to peel all the green skin off and use only the white one okay so let's cook let's go Okay, I have peeled all the skin, the green skin off, and now I'm going to shred it in small pieces. I use this one, which are like potato peeler, and you can get this from supermarket or from Amazon. You can get this one. It's easy just to go like that. So it's shredded papaya. มีแต่นี่พี่น้องซื้อมาจากเมืองไทยบ้านเฮาคนนะคะซื้อมานี่ So papaya in Thai we call malago. Malago, that is in Thai. Som Tam, Tam malago. Okay, first thing to do is I'm going to put chili and garlic to crush it now. Chili in Thai we call prick. Prick, that's Thai. In Thai we call prick, okay? It's mean chili. And garlic in Thai we call gratium. Gratium and prick. Okay, so now I'm going to put in here and I'm going to crush it. Okay, I think I mix it well now. It's ready. Oh, smell gorgeous. Smell fresh lime juice and garlic and chili. Smell really nice. So it's ready to serve. Can you see it? Look, it's ready to serve there. Look. Right. Wow. The smell make my mouth watery. ตำบักหุ่งพี่น้องกินกับข้าวแล้งกับไก่ทอดแซ่บๆเป็นเผ็ดได้ล่ะเผ็ดแน่อยู่Okay, now it's ready. Look at that. Oh. หอมค่ะหอมมะนาว หอมมะนาวพี่น้องหอมตำบักหุ่ง It smells gorgeous, really refreshing. I've got to try this and you got to try with me. The smell gorgeous. Wow. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is how we have Som Tam in Thailand. It's crunchy because of freshness of papaya. It's spicy, of course. It's a little bit sour, little bit salty, little bit spicy, and the smell of garlic, combination of garlic, chili, lime juice, fish sauce. It's just really nice, and it tastes gorgeous. I know in Thailand we eat this with noodles, with sticky rice, and it's really make your mouth watering when you smell of this. And whoever already been to Thailand, you probably know Som Tam, or you've been to Thai restaurant in the UK. Som Tam is one of the top notch, favorite, my favorite, and it's very famous Thai dishes. Isaan in Thai Isaan Thai cuisine. Oh God, when you start eating, you can't stop. Oh, I got to keep eating. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe. If you haven't done it, that means the world to me. So I can make more video to show you more ingredients in my home cooking. and the Thai food, you know, this is the way I cook at home and in my little kitchen here in England ถ้าชอบนะคะฝากติดตามกดไลค์กดแชร์แล้วก็กด Subscribe ด้วยนะคะขอบคุณที่ติดตามกินส้มตำด้วยกันค่ะ Thank you very much for watching see you next time thank you wow wow so yummy อร่อยมากๆเลย very yummy it's อร่อยมากๆ thank you bye bye